My name is Yuri Rojas. I am studying business administration. Expectation of the futures and of. And this moment I am studying business administration. That then I am going to do my master degree in this career and I will travel the world. One of the first continent I will meet in my travel is the European continent to learn about its custom and culture. I will also take many photos. I am going to create a company of beauty products for women. Since it's a very important area within society. With this, I will create jobs. I want to do like another country to have more opportunities in my life and to grow professionally. I will do all this together with my daughter. Work in real estate since estate is a profitable business and that it will guide my financial freedom in the future. Thanks.